Hi, I'm Ricky the Superfoodist. Welcome to another of C&M's Nutriblast series. What I'm going to do today is make a berry blast. This one's wonderful because it's got all the phytonutrient density of berries and I really love them. I worked with a biochemist in Australia, Dr. Robert Buist, many years ago, and he taught me that anything that was purple, red or blue and stained the fingers is so important for the immune system, and I recommend it to my clients all the time. I don't think you can have enough berries, and they're not going to affect or adversely affect your weight management goals. So what I've got in there, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, but to them I'm going to add some vegetables to lower that glycemic load, because that's what it's all about. It's all about, in my opinion, a lower glycemic load, not so much about calories, but keeping that glycemic load steady so that you don't get those blood sugar spikes, because the blood sugar spikes are going to lead to the cravings, they're going to lead to you maybe getting a bit irritable, they're going to lead to you being a bit moody, so we really don't want them, and actually they're not great for portion control either. So I'm going to add in there some cucumber. We all know how refreshing, how hydrating this is. It's also packed full of vitamins and minerals and those all important enzymes as well. And to that I'm going to add some celery, which may seem like an odd choice, but the reason I've chosen it is that a lot of people don't like to have celery by itself, but together with the fruit in here, we're not really going to taste it because the overriding sweetness of the berries takes control. Now, because they're in season right at the moment, or at least in London where I am, I'm putting in some nectarines and a couple of the slices of plums. Well, not the whole nectarine, just a few slices. What that's going to do as well is give me that nice little tropical taste to my blast. So I'm just going to add in water now. Often I use coconut water, or I use almond milk or rice milk, but this one I think is going to be sweet enough as it is, so I just would like to use the water in there. A lot of us aren't getting enough hydration, and that's leading to constipation, it's leading to puffy eyes, it's leading to not healthy hair, skin and nails, it's not promoting a healthy digestive transit time. So I love these blasts because not only are they nutrient dense, but they give us the hydrating effect that we really need for the body to do the job it's designed to do. Let's just pop this on here. I left that one on just a little bit longer because the celery is very stringy, but it's worth it, and it's worth the noise of the celery because you get the lowering of the glycemic load that I was talking about when you add it in there. So what I've got, have a look at this. This is deep red, raw nutrient density that you could give to your kids, and they're not going to know that you've got the cucumber in there or the celery. Wonderful for yourself as well if you don't like those particular veg, to hide it in there. I could have used kale, I could have used spinach, but I just went for those two because I had them on hand. I also like to make a lot of Nutriblasts that I call the refrigerator. Throw in whatever you want, whatever's in the fridge that's about to go on the turn, put it in there. As long as you add 50% leafy greens, you're set. But this one, I think, has to be one of my all-time favorites. It's the berry blast, and here's to your good health.